The Toyota Auris Touring Sports is one of those cars that quietly makes everyday driving easier. This is the 1.8 XL hybrid automatic, and with just 59,478 warranted miles, it offers a great balance of efficiency, comfort, and practicality. The hybrid system keeps fuel costs low, especially around town, while the smooth CVT automatic makes every journey feel relaxed. Being the XL model, you also get satellite navigation, heated front seats, a reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, smart entry and dual-zone climate control, making it a really comfortable place to spend time. It also benefits from a full service history, showing it's been well looked after. At IBO Motors, it comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, 12 months free breakdown cover, and 3 months warranty, with the option to extend up to 2 years for extra peace of mind. If you're not local, delivery can be arranged nationwide, a practical, reliable hybrid that's easy to live with and ready for its next owner.